Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So it's a lecture number 2 of standard 3, chapter 21, and its chapter name is Mumbai. So in this video we will start the tourist attraction. Before that we will take a short look at what we have learned in first videos. So first of all, in this chapter we are learn about the Mumbai state, and the Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and it is on the west coast of India near the Arabian Sea. So it was earlier known as Bombay and in fact this name has given by British. And Mumbai is considered to be India's economic capital. About the climate of Mumbai, and Mumbai has a very moderate climate because it is in seaside's location. So it has a warm humid summers and the winter is very pleasant. So during the months, that is the June, July and August, it receives very heavy rainfall, and the city streets are covered with the water for many days. And the history of Mumbai is for many centuries the seven islands form the modern Mumbai were occupied by the Koli fishing community. This island, first of all, it was ruled by Hindu rules, and then after it was ruled by Muslim rules, and it was followed by the Portuguese. But finally, the Koli fishing community, British took control of that islands in 1665 C. After that, he started to trading with Gujaratis, Parsis and Maharashtra, and the British, they made the Mumbai port very busy port due to the fishing community. In fact, Mumbai played a very important role in the struggle for independence, to become India independence. Mahatma Gandhi, they lived for many years in this state Mumbai. And in 1853, the British, they built the first railway line in India from Mumbai to Thane. And in 1996, the name of the Mumbai city, it was changed from Bombay to Mumbai. So please underline it. It's very important line from here in 1853. So after the third line, it is in 1853. The British built first railway line. The British built first railway line in India from Mumbai to Thane. In 1853, the British built the first railway line in India from Mumbai to Thane. Next line also underline it, that in 1996, the name of the city was changed from Bombay to Mumbai. So in 1996, the name was changed from Bombay to Mumbai. Next, did you know, behind your chapter you can see that Mumbai is named after Mumba Devi, the goddess of the Koli fishing community. So the Mumbai, the name was changed because the Mumbai is named after the Mumba Devi. Mumba Devi, who is she? She is the goddess of Koli fishing community. Mumba Devi is the goddess of Koli fishing community. So there is a Mumba Devi Mandir. So that's why with the help of that Mumba, so the city of the name has changed to the Bombay to Mumbai due to the goddess of Koli fishing community. So in Mumbai, there is a Mumba Devi temple in the city of Mumbai. Next is tourist attraction. Now, there are many places of interesting in Mumbai. Exactly, Mumbai is like the dream city. So it is here many more places, interesting places in Mumbai that we can go and we can visit there. So the Gateway of India is one of the main tourist spot. So first of all, the Gateway of India, it is one of the main tourist spots where tourists they can go and they can enjoy their quality times with families. So in there, then it was built to the mark the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay in 1911. So the Gateway of India, it was built to the mark of to memorable of the visit of the King George V and the Queen Mary to Bombay in 1911. So it was built in 1911 when the King George and Queen Mary they just visit. So that's why they mark with their mark the Gateway of India was built. Next, Marine Drive is worth visiting for its view of the Arabian Sea. So Marine Drive, it is the people they go there, it is the worth visiting because it is in the side of view of the Arabian Sea. So most of the people they go into the Marine Drive. The famous beaches are Juhu Beach and Chowpatty Beach. So in Mumbai, their famous beaches are also there like Juhu Beach and Chowpatty Beach. People go there to enjoy themselves and eat tasty snacks like bhel puri. So people they go there in beaches and they enjoy the snacks like the bhel puri. Next, other places of interesting are the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum, Nehru Planetarium, the National Science Center, the Hanging Garden, the Tara Podewala Aquarium and the Shoe House. The famous Elephanta Caves lies to the east of Mumbai and are also known for their beautiful snow carving. So, like many more interesting places in Mumbai like the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum, Nehru Planetarium, the National Science Center, then the Hanging Gardens, the Tara Podewala Aquarium and the Shoe House. In fact, one of the famous Elephanta Caves which lies to the east of Mumbai and are well known for its beauty stone caving. So that's why it's very famous in Mumbai. Next, the people and the government of their Maharashtra. So Mumbai is the largest major part in India. So Mumbai is the very largest major part in India. So local trains are the most important means of transport. So because many more peoples are there and major ports are there for selling and exchanging the goods and trades. So the local train is what these the local train are the most important means of transport in Mumbai. The Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is one of the busiest airports in India. So the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airlines, it is the one of the very busiest airports in India. All the important Indian festivals are celebrated here, but the most important is Ganesh Chaturthi. So in Mumbai, the most of the Indian festivals are celebrated, but in Mumbai, the most important festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. Mumbai is famous for its Hindi film industry and most of the celebrities they lived in the Mumbai. So it is also famous for the Hindi film industry, which is very popularly called Bollywood and which is very popular and we just call the Bollywood and we enjoy it, we sing dance. So these all, Mumbai is very famous for Hindi film industry. Some of the famous dishes from Mumbai are bhel puri, pav bhaji and vada pav. So some of the famous dishes are also in Mumbai like the bhel puri, pav bhaji and vada pav. People from many parts of India live in Mumbai. Exactly, they go there, they settle their business, they work there. So many part of India they go and they lived. Many people they go from the part of India and they live in Mumbai. The governor and the chief minister of Maharashtra live here. So the governor and the chief minister of Maharashtra, because Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, so the chief minister and the governor they lived in Mumbai. And Marathi is the main language spoken along with Konkani and Hindi. And in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, the Marathi is one of the main language which is spoken for most of the people who lived there, and along with Konkani and Hindi, these two languages are also there, but mostly we can use the Marathi in that state, in that cities. So your chapter is completed. I hope you guys had understood. So please take care of yourself. Again, I will back to teach you the next chapter. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.